This video will show you how to replace your camshaft position sensor on a Subaru Outback with a 2.5-liter engine. You'll have two of these, one on either side of your engine. The process will be the same. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate your camshaft position sensor. You'll find that you have one of these on either side of the engine in the same area. Once you've done that, locate your electrical connector. It has a squeezable tab along the top. That's what holds it in position. Once you have that squeezed in, go ahead and dislodge it. A quick inspection for corrosion. We'll set that aside. Now, prior to removing the mounting hardware, let's make sure we clean the area along the top of the engine so no miscellaneous debris falls into the engine. You'll find you have a 10mm bolt holding this in place. Go ahead and remove it. A thorough inspection of your mounting hardware, replace it as necessary. Take hold of your camshaft position sensor. We'll give it a wiggle and lift it up and out of position. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any brand new parts, you always need to clean and inspect your mounting surface. Whatever you do, make sure nothing falls inside of your engine. We'll just use a clean rag for this. We're not using any type of detergent. Okay, let's prepare to install our brand new camshaft position sensor. You'll find that I applied clean motor oil directly to my sealing O-ring. That'll help this slide into place. Once we have this slid in, continue on to aligning your mounting bolt port. Once that's aligned, install your mounting bolt, snug it up, and torque that to 56 inch-pounds. Make sure there's no movement from your camshaft position sensor and reconnect your electrical connector. The locking tab faces up. Line it up, press it in. After an audible click, a light tug confirming it's secured in place. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our camshaft position sensor. As I mentioned, the process for one side of the vehicle is the exact same thing as the other. Aside from that, you want to go ahead and start up the vehicle. Let it run for a short while. Make sure you have no running condition, no check engine light, close the hood, take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.